I've got a couple other tips for you. One is if it took a while to analyze some of your files, which it did on my computer, I just selected all, I hit Control and I clicked and I said Analyze Tracks, and it went much faster. So literally just almost 4 times the speed. Another thing would be to go to, if you had a hard time finding this Rekordbox XML, let's go to our preferences, which by the way is also Command comma. And if I go to our preferences, let's go to View. Let's go to Layout, this tree view. I can select what I see in this tree. So by default, you probably have the iTunes clicked on, but maybe you had this Rekordbox XML not checked. So I want to make sure that that's checked so that it shows up here in the tree area. Last other tip that I will give you is this whole idea of like when things are analyzing to make sure this is set to performance versus normal in terms of how the analysis is done. Performance is going to move a little bit faster. There's all sorts of other features inside of Rekordbox, which we are going to get deeper into in a separate Rekordbox 101 video that you'll definitely want to check out. And yeah, I mean, other than that, you should be good to go. I've got all my tracks that are in here. Now all I need to do is sync them to my USB drive that I put in here if I want to be using that. Or if I'm going to be using this in performance mode, I can just use it as is, plug this guy into my buddy's controller, and it's as if I were on Serato. Good luck with everything. Let us know if you need any additional help. Hit us up here at thedjcoach.com. And we do have one last video in this series in case you are completely stuck and you need to restart and you need to start back over. I'm going to show you how you can clear out your entire database from Rekord Buddy safely and start all over again.